So hello to every one of you, those of you joining me live and those of you joining me through time and space. Welcome. Welcome to this Gridwork, to this planetary Gridwork called Empowering and Highest Timelines for the Human Mission Souls. Lightworkers, Gridworkers, Lightkeepers, and Nature Empaths. And as always, let's focus on our heart and just be aware of your heart chakra. Breathe in and out. And connect with the beautiful energy and frequency of your heart. Breathe deeply in and out. And with each and every breath, feel your whole body relaxing. Relax your shoulders, relax your back. And feel this beautiful feeling of relaxation like a wave of light, relaxing your whole body. Feel your feet on the ground. Beautiful. And now, be aware and with clear intention, send the beautiful golden lights through your heart, from your heart chakra down through your lower chakras, connecting you with Mother Earth. Like beautiful golden roots flowing into Mother Earth. Connect with all realms of our beloved planet. And feel these beautiful golden roots flowing down under the surface of the earth, connecting you with the crystal realm, with the stone beings, connecting you with the golden ages and the inner earth, flowing down, down, down in the center of the earth, connecting you with Gaia, with Lady Gaia, the beautiful, magnificent being of light, in charge of Mother Earth. And through your golden roots, connect with the heart of this being of light. Feel, sense, delight in this sacred connection. And bring upwards this beautiful connection, this beautiful energy of Gaia into your heart. And now, through your heart chakra, be aware of all realms of Mother Earth. Extend your love to all realms. The animal kingdom, the bird kingdom, the insect kingdom, the tree beings, the plant kingdom, the water realms. Feel this sacred connection, feel this love, feel this joyful co-creation. And now I ask you to send a beautiful golden light from your heart upwards. Connecting you with through your higher chakras with the beautiful beings of light. Connecting you with the unicorns, the magnificent dragon kingdom. connecting you with your soul, your higher self, and your magnificent guides and angels. Connecting you with the angels, archangels, seraphim, and send this light even further until you connect with Source itself and bask in the love and light and wisdom, infinite wisdom of Source. And now, bring this beautiful light downwards through your higher chakras into your heart. And now breathe in the love and light of Source and the love and light of Gaia. And breathe it out, sending it into all your bodies and fields. And be aware as your beautiful physical body is filled with the love and light of Gaia and the love and light of Source, and send it out into your mental, emotional, spiritual bodies. Beautiful. Also send it out into your spiritual body now, and ask with intention that all your 12 chakras are beautifully aligned and activated, so you can connect with ease and grace with your guides and angels and with the magnificent beings of light we co-create with inside this grid. I just check the field. And I call in 12 beautiful unicorns who would like to join us. And I ask them to please harmonize the chakras of every person here today and everyone listening to the recording. And just feel these magnificent unicorns working on your chakras now, aligning, activating. Feel the joy and delight of their presence. Beautiful. And now let every one of us connect with the magnificent golden rainbow grid of the Planetary Gridwork Collective. And I call in the beings of light who assisted and co-created with us to please come in and bless our work today and co-create with us today. And I call in Lady Gaia, Seraphim Seraphina, Archangel Metatron, I call in the Lemurian Council, the Andromedan Council, the beautiful guides of the planet of trees. I call in the archangels of nature, Perlimiek, Ariel, Felier, Preminiliek, Bobki. I call in the four mighty archangels and their twin flames, Archangel Michael and Faith, Archangel Gabriel and Hope, Archangel Raphael and Mary, Archangel Uriel and Aurora. I call in Archangel Roquiel, Archangel Sandalphon and Archangel Jules, Archangel Gersisha. Just breathe in their light and feel and sense how You stand in the beautiful light circle with these magnificent beings of light around you. I call in Archangel Butialil, the beautiful shimmering, crystalline coders and decoders, the timekeepers, the dragon and the unicorn kingdom. I call in the fairy kingdom and all beautiful nature spirits who want to co-create with us and who've been part of this grid work for so long. And also, of course, the elven realm, the spirits of the land, the crystal beings, and the light workers, grid workers, light keepers from all realms of nature. I call in my sacred light team, and please call in yours. I call in Lord Pan, the Lord of Nature, and I call in the beautiful Archangel Shamuel. And I call in all beings of light who would like to join us today. And just feel the energy and the frequency now, beautiful soul. And allow your field, your spiritual field, to adjust to this very high frequency. Take deep breaths in and out. Feel and sense the light around you. You are safe, you are protected. And I hope you are delighted, just as I do, to be here. And now I call my beautiful quantum guide, Amaraya, to please come next to me. And let's start downloading the grid of highest timelines for every human mission soul. See and sense how this magnificent grid is downloaded in the middle of our planetary grid work. The grid is downloaded now, takes a bit of time. I see it like opening up, so now the grid opens up. Beautiful. In the middle of the grid, you can sense the magnificent Archangel Metatron and many beautiful shimmering angels of Archangel, crystalline, snow white angels of Archangel Gabriel. And this is the grid of the human mission souls at this moment. And you can see and sense it as it is now. And our work today, beautiful sisters and brothers, is to anchor and activate the highest timelines of this grid. Many of you here today can see and sense just as I do. So you can see how the grid looks just now. As always, in all our grid work, I call in the magnificent galactic dragons to please come and join us. And I ask them to cleanse and purify the grid, taking all densities, gathering all densities and sending it out to be neutralized by light. And here comes a huge, beautiful galactic dragon, Vishwa, with many dragons following. Can you see there are quite few rainbow dragons here today? And many dragons of Archangel Gabriel. See and sense them starting to work on the grid, cleansing densities. And they have a lot of work to do. Can you see it? They have a lot of work to do. And what we are asked to do, beautiful sisters, is to stand here and with clear intention send our love into the grid, empowering the work of these beings of light. And as the grid is being cleansed from the middle towards the ends of the grid, it becomes bigger and bigger. It's like a carpet being rolled out. It becomes bigger and bigger. And you can see how it becomes whiter and whiter. Some parts is like shimmering diamond light. Other parts are getting cleansed and purified. And a lot of beautiful unicorns join the grid now. And you can see as the edges of the grid, it's almost like the grid being rolled out. It's huge and beautiful, like a vast field of snow. And you can feel and sense dragons at the edges of the grid, working with the edges. And what they are doing are cutting cords. Many mission souls, human mission souls, being connected still with past lives, with different energies which are not clearest or purest, to put it in this way. So all these cords are cleaned now. And you can see and sense as the dragons are still cutting cords, cleansing energies, gathering densities and sending it out into the light. Many unicorns started pouring their light over the grid. Beautiful angels of Archangel Gabriel inside the grid. And now you can see that the grid is getting colored in different spectrums of golden light, as beautiful angels of Archangel Uriel and Samuel are landing in the grid. And now we can sense the coders and decoders, the beautiful timekeepers in the middle of the grid. And beautiful shimmering columns of light appears. It starts to look like a temple now. You can see very ancient trees. Maybe because I'm so connected with the tree kingdom, and so are you here. Many beautiful ancient trees are standing around the grid now, and you can see their roots anchoring deeply in Gaia, in the beautiful different levels of earth. And now you can see and sense waters, rivers, wells, beautiful forms of waters. And of course, where there are trees, there is an elf kingdom. So you can see the beautiful, very tall elves starting to co-create with the grid. The fairy realm stepped in. You can see their magical, shining orbs. And if you focus on the orbs, you can see the fairy kings and queens. The animal kingdom stepped in the grid. The bird kingdom is now here, and the insect kingdom is also here. And now what you can see, it's like golden rain pouring over the grid. But when you look closely, every single drop, it's a beautiful shimmering code of light. Human mission souls are in need of many codes of discernment, sovereignty, soul-aligned action. Self-trust. Focusing inwards and connecting with their guides and angels. So all these codes are poured over the grid now. And you can see beings of light placing these codes in the different parts of the grid. And let's just look at the grid now. The sun dragons are still working, still connecting densities and sending it up into the light. Yet you can see the beautiful columns of light. You can see the trees. You can see the waters. And this grid is huge and has many temples on it. And these temples are connected to beautiful temples on higher planes. Lord Pan is here now, standing in the middle of the grid. Feel and sense this beautiful being of light. The angels of nature are very active. And now, beautiful soul, we are asked to send our love and gratitude to the beings of light, building these highest timelines, connecting with them. What I'm shown is open your heart and pour your beautiful love and gratitude over the grid. And I can see as you do so, you are linked to a being of light from all light team, and it sends you back codes, messages, and blessings. Some of you become very, very warm just now because you receive a lot. You receive a lot of codes and a lot of blessings. This being of light, sending these blessings back to you, can be a being of light you know and you've been connecting with for years, and can be a new being of light. If it's a new beautiful angel or archangel or a dragon or unicorn, ask the name and ask a message for you. It's just so much happening now. I see these streams of light flowing in and flowing out. That's a great, as we all receive messages. I'm told now to look into the grid and see the plant realm the love of the plant realm towards all human mission souls. Experience the magnificent beauty of the flowers. And now experience the love of the animal realm for human mission souls. And now experience the bird kingdom's delight in co-creating with humans, especially with human mission souls. Oh, I can feel the energy, the love. The spirits of the lands delight in co-creating with us. The rivers, the water, the wells. Give and receive, send your love and gratitude for this co-creation. And now I look at inside the grid and I thank to the beautiful dragon realm who cleaned and purified every density. Thank you so much to every one of you. Now it's done, and you can see many beautiful dragons in the grid now connecting with human mission souls. Codes are still pouring inside the grid, still pouring. Some of the codes are so small, as I said, like droplets of light, and then some of them they flow like in big, like a lot of water flowing into a certain shape, and they form like beautiful big bricks of light, and it's a word written on. You can look and find and delight in those codes, and ask to be granted, or you are blessed with them. What I'm saying is, we look through the codes and we are saying, oh, this is exactly what I need, and then the connection is established. Now see once more the magnificent Seraphim Seraphina and Archangel Metatron standing in the middle of the grid. And see and sense how they pour their light over the grid. It's like a whirlpool of light. I see it as it stirs up the codes, and then they settle, and they are placed in the perfect place. Some of you can see mandalas of light, like different sacred shapes. And now, beautiful soul, what I can see is that this magnificent grid with all the codes which are placed now, and the timekeepers and coders and decoders supervise that, and codes are placed. And what I see is, like, all human mission souls get access to the grid. It's like beautiful threads of light connecting every light worker, grid worker, lightkeeper, nature empath, and all the names we use for mission souls with the grid. Connecting every mission soul with their beautiful sacred team. Can you see that? I'm seeing now like a flower, and the light teams of every mission, human mission soul are around one, and the human in the middle connected to its soul very clearly and beautifully. And now I ask every one of you to become aware of your connection with this grid and your connection to your light team. And yes, you can step into the grid if you wish so. And while I say these words, light is still pouring on over the grid. And the grid becomes more and more and more, I would say, magnificent, shimmering, filled with light, with incredible forms of light. And see how nature co-creates with this grid, and how the angels, archangels, unicorns, dragons co-create with the grid. And now all is done. The highest timelines for the human mission souls are anchored. Feel and sense. It's like an incredible peace, serenity. The frequency is so high. Experience the freedom of mission souls. Experience their connection with their light team. Experience their power, clarity. And know, beautiful sisters and brothers joining us through time and space, know that you can come and visit this grid, return again and again. You can trust this connection. And as I look over the grid, I can see that the mighty Archangel Metatron, Seraphim Seraphina, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Michael, and many, many magnificent archangels are standing in the grid. And now be aware of Lady Gaia, the beautiful throne, the beautiful angelic being in charge of planet Earth is stepping in the grid. And now we are called to listen to the song of the earth. And as you stand in this magnificent grid of light, hear the song of the earth. Some of you can hear it, some of you can feel it. And now, as you look up, you can see the seraphim singing over the grid. And their song, it's like makes a bubble of light around the grid. So we have the song of the earth and the beautiful sacred music and song of the seraphim. And just feel and sense that activating every single code, aligning, anchoring, locking in this timeline. And as we continue sending our love and gratitude, we receive so much. You write it down what you receive, or come back again and again and receive and write down all the messages, all the blessings, ask all the questions. And I'm asking where this highest timeline and beautiful activated golden grid is going to be anchored. And it is anchored in the inner earth of planet Earth. And the beautiful mighty angels of light, Archangel Gersisha, Archangel Butialil, Archangel Sandalphon, Archangel Jules, Archangel Rockwheel are guiding it inside the earth. Are anchoring it inside the inner earth. And then you can see the unicorns and the dragon kingdom. I wanted to say the dragon kingdom. The unicorns are also here, protecting it, placing it in the beautiful ball of light. So it's perfectly protected. I'm asking my beautiful guide Amaraya to tell me where do we stand, if it's anything else. I see and sense the grid, I see and sense the temples. I can see there are many temples. And as human mission souls, one can choose a temple where one can come in and receive healing and guidance and light. I see myself now sitting in front of the temple of nature from Lemuria, which has a deep connection with this grid. And I sit in front of the temple, and in front of the temple, it's a beautiful, huge water. And I sit next to the water, which are deep, deep waters, blue waters. And I can see the magnificent whales communicating with me through the waters. And I was asked to share with you this picture, and I am asking why, and I'm asked to share with you this picture, beautiful soul, because every one of you can connect with a temple or with a place inside this grid, which is your place to recharge and reconnect. And you can do it now if you wish so. Some of you connect with beautiful beings from the cat kingdom. Some of you connect with the whale kingdom. Some of you connect with the beautiful bird kingdom. Some of you connect with magnificent wise trees. Take your time and enjoy this sacred gift of connection, knowing that you can come back again and again. And now it is done. The grid is anchored, it's activated, it's protected. And I thank to every being of light co-creating with us today. Eseyawa, tai, 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 eyawa, tai, 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 seawa, ra. I thank for this honor and for this joy of co-creation. And we receive lots of blessings and light for this deep co-creation. And now we are asked to come back to our heart-centered, beautiful soul. We stand around this magnificent grid, still stand around the grid. And let's together say thank you or thank to all the beautiful beings of light co-creating inside the planetary Gridwork collective. Please say thank you to your own light team. And slowly come back into your reality. Stepping gently out from this beautiful circle of light. And slowly come back into your reality. Knowing that you can return anytime you wish so. I ask you to please bring your energy field into balance and harmony with intention. Slowly feel your feet on the ground. And every one of us here today and joining this Gridwork through time and space, we are gifted with the blessing and protection of Archangel Metatron this time for the rest of the day. So beautiful, shimmering, golden protection around every one of us for the rest of the day. I thank the Archangel Metatron. And now I thank to every single one of you joining me live, and every one of you joining me through time and space. And I would like to remind you, beautiful soul, to please go out in nature, walk the land, and ground this energy and frequency, ground these incredible high energies into the land around your home. Thank you so much for participating.